Okay, I'm going to weed some iron on.
And I usually like to get the corner with a weeding tool and start to pull it back from the design at a 45-degree angle. You'll start to see the design emerge. There's my mountains. And now we're going to weed the middle of the design. And sometimes you have to kind of hold it up to the light to see the pieces, or you can look in Design Space to see the image and match it up with the weeding that way. There you can see I got a corner of it. And you start to slowly take the pieces out. And this is something that just is a skill that gets easier over time as you do it. Start to understand how the pieces come off. There's another piece here. It's looking good. Another piece down here. And we've got one more little piece over here. And now we're ready to use the Easy Press.